Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. First of all, I want to sit there and say I'm sorry about my voice. It is early spring here in Michigan and it is allergy season for my family. So I'm a little stuffy, but we're going to get through it. Hopefully it doesn't impact my video too much. So I just want to apologize for the way that my voice sounds. I wanted to share with you this super cute Easter basket box card. Isn't that cute? Got that cute little chocolate bunny, some Easter grass, and some cool eggs. And then on the back is the space for your message. It folds completely flat and it also comes with an included envelope. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it.
Step 1. Get the free SVG cut file.
Okay, here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and then be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to click Enter the Library. Once you type in the password, you'll be brought to all the free files. You're going to want to look for number 118. That is the Easter basket box card. Click on that hyperlink and download the file to your computer. Go ahead and unzip the file, and then we can go ahead and open up Cricut Design Space.
Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space.
Alright, now that we're in a new project in Cricut Design Space, we can head to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and then Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas.
Step 3. Convert score lines and any text.
Now that the file has been brought into Cricut Design Space, we need to head up and ungroup the design. We're going to change score lines on the envelope, the two pieces that will form the box, and then the two pieces that are the inside of the card. Okay, so we're going to scroll down first and find the envelope, highlight the score line, come up to Operation, change it to Score, highlight that group, and click Attach. Scroll back down the Layers panel, highlight the score line for one of the box pieces, come up to Operation and change that to Score, highlight the group, and click Attach. Do that for the second piece for the box. And now for those inside pieces, highlight the score line, change that to Score, highlight that group, and click Attach. And now the last one, do the same thing. Alright, now we can head on up to make it. You'll see all the different mats for this tutorial. Go ahead and click Continue. Now for this project, I'm using a variety of medium weight cardstock. Go ahead and make your material selections accordingly. And I will go ahead and get everything all cut out, and I'll see you when it's all done.
Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card.
Alright, now that everything has been cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I want you to do is to layer your basket pieces together. So I'm going to layer the lighter piece that has the basket cutout on it on top of one of the brown pieces. And then this is your little messaging panel for the back of the card. You're just going to layer that onto the other basket piece. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Alright, now that that's done, we can go ahead and assemble the box piece. So what you're first going to do is you're going to fold all of the score lines for both pieces as mountain folds So I am folding away from me to create those mountains. Okay? Can you see that? Like I said, you're going to do that for both pieces. Go ahead and burnish both of them as well. And now to assemble the box, we're just going to glue them together. So you're going to add glue on the outside of this tab right here, and then on the outside of this tab as well, and then they just attach together just like that. Okay, now let's go ahead and let that dry. Let's put our embellishments on top of our inside pieces. As far as folding the tabs goes, it will depend on which one you want in the front. If you want the chocolate bunny to be in the front, then those tabs would be facing forward or towards you. If you want the eggs to be in front, then those tabs would be facing towards you. The other one will be, the tabs will be facing to the back. So the way that I have it is I want the eggs to be in the back. So I'm going to fold those tabs away from me. And then burnish. And then I want the bunny to be in the front, so those tabs will be folded towards me. I'll explain why I do that in just a few minutes. Go ahead and burnish. Now we can go ahead and layer. The chocolate bunny has a little eyeball on it, just like they do in the grocery store. Now you can also do the grass. You can do that first and then layer the bunny on top, but I actually like it but the grass is in the front. Set that one to the side. And now the same thing for the eggs, just going to layer the eggs and then put the grass on top of that. And there is our eggs. Can you see that? All right. Now it's time to go ahead and assemble the box. Now the reason that I had you put the tabs in different directions is so that they're nice and spaced out perfectly in the box. You're going to put the inside piece that has the tabs facing back towards the back. You're going to slip it inside the box and then line up those tabs with the back of the box here. And then the front you're going to slip inside the box and have the front tabs touching the front of the box. So then what that creates, now this isn't glued together, but what that creates is perfect spacing between the two layers. All right? I'm going to start with the back. Add my adhesive here. Go ahead and slip it in. You see that? Just like that. I'm going to give the box a fold. I'm going to do that both ways. And there's that first piece. All right, let's do that for the second one, or for the front piece rather. Go ahead and slide that in. Make sure that those front pieces are pushed up, or those front tabs are pushed up against the front of the card there. And then go ahead and fold. There we go. And now what you have is, if you can see that there, perfectly spaced inside pieces of the box. Okay? So from here, let's go ahead and add the front basket piece. So I folded the card flat. You're going to put adhesive on the front piece of the box. And then just go ahead and line up your left and right edges. And then place the basket piece right there on top. There we go. Flip the card over. And then do the same thing for the back for the messaging panel. And there is our card. And then here on the back is where you can put your message. Super cute. Now let's go ahead and talk about the envelope. For the envelope, we're just going to fold along the score lines and then burnish. Okay, go ahead and add your adhesive to the outer edge of the inlay. And then apply the inlay to the envelope. Bring those side flaps in. Add your adhesive. And bring the bottom flap up to form that envelope. And there is your envelope. And then you just fold the card flat. It slips right in. There you go. Pull it out by the handles. And there we go. How easy was that to put together? I love the way that it looks. It's super cute on a table as part of your decor, and I know that any recipient would love to get it too. You can really dress this up, make the basket out of different colored cardstock, like yellow and teal, or pinks and blues and all that, because you know how sometimes at the grocery store the Easter baskets are really bright, really crazy colors. So that would make it look really awesome. And then depending on what kind of pattern paper you use, those eggs can be really different too. I hope that you guys like this, and I hope that you make it too. If you do make it, make sure to share it in our Facebook group. We have tons of card making and paper crafting friends in that community, and we would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. I will see you at the next card making video. Until next time, bye.